welcome to My Retro Watches. My name is Mike and this is the final video of the 7025 series. We've taken this watch from what would have been a scrap watch or a donor watch, and we have serviced the movement. We've reloomed the hands, we've put a new crystal on, we've refinished the case, we've done brush finish and polish finish, put a new bracelet on it, a new strap even, not a bracelet, and we're going to give this away. I'm going to give this away to one of you lucky watchers out there. And how am I going to do that? Well, it's dead easy. All I want you to do, I want you to like this video, please. I need you to subscribe to the channel. I need subscribers, and most importantly, you need to comment below. All right, keep the comments nice. One comment per entry, I'm afraid. I know there are some of the people I know that are probably going to be really tempted to spam the hell out of my comment section, but it's just one comment per entry. And what I'll do in 10 days time is I'll count up all of the entries and put all your names into a hat, and we'll draw one lucky winner, and that winner will receive this watch. I'll post it anywhere in the world for you, so it'll be incoming to one of you lucky people soon. At this point, first of all, I'd just like to thank a few people. There's a guy called Stefan who's on eBay, and he donated this crystal. So I need to give him a shout out. I can't pronounce his eBay name, so I'm going to leave a link to him in the comments below, or in the description below. It's very important because I'd already bought a crystal from him, and it was there was something not quite right with it. It was a manufacturing defect, and he kindly donated another one when he realised it was for the good of this video. So check him out. He does lots of really interesting Seiko parts, especially crystals. So you're looking for some rare things, he tends to have got them. Service is excellent and worldwide, so please look after him. Other than that, I want to thank all of you guys for subscribing to the channel. This giveaway was for 1,000 subscribers, and for some reason in the time it's taken me to do this, I've got another 600. So amazing, really. More videos will be coming soon. I'm going to do some videos on equipment that I've got, and some more videos on watch restoration, so stay tuned for those. I think all I'll finish off with is I'll just get the camera, we'll do a bit of a close-up on this so you can see it. I know you've had all the dramatic bit at the beginning of the video, but I'll just sort of show you as it is. It's running at the moment within about plus 10 seconds a day on the timer graph, so it should be pretty good, hopefully. Bear in mind that it is a vintage watch. Whoever wins it, you know, be careful near water, and you know, it's already, I forgot how old it is. So it's from 1977, so it's, what is that, that's 40 something years old. So, you know, treat it carefully, and I hope you like it. So let's go to the bench, have a quick look at it, and see what it looks like. Okay, here we are on the bench, and this is the watch a bit closer up, and what you can possibly see in the light is still some of that tarnish that's on the dial. And to be honest with you, I think that's quite cool because it's a bit of a hark back to what it was. You know, this was a pretty bad torn up watch, and now it's usable again. It looks quite nice with the black dial, and that's just a bit of a nod to its history, isn't it, really? So I think it's quite sympathetic. You can see the finish. I've polished the back up a little bit to make that look a bit better. You know, I'm quite pleased with it, to be honest with you. It's on a genuine leather strap, and it's a 19mm lug, which is obviously quite unusual. It would have been on a bracelet, but I can't find one at all. So it should see you out for quite a few years, the lucky winner of this. Other than that, all I'd like to say again is thanks very much for tuning into all these videos. It makes it all worthwhile for me making them. I make all these in my garage, and I tend to think I'm sitting here all alone in the evening talking to myself. So it's hard to believe that all of you guys tune in and get something from it. So thanks very much for that. keep watching because there's going to be some more videos coming, hopefully very, very soon. So thank you and good luck.